Welcome to IVOK, a manufacturer specializing in automotive and industrial sealing parts for global markets. Established in 2008 and based in China, the focus is on rubber sealing solutions for automobiles, motorcycles, gasoline engines, and garden machinery applications. Main products include oil seals, valve oil seals, valve cover gaskets, O-rings, cylinder liner rings, freeze plugs, and other related sealing parts. Advanced production equipment and precision testing instruments are used to control quality at every stage, from raw materials to final inspection. ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification ensures standardized processes and consistent product performance. With a daily production capacity exceeding 100,000 pieces, stable supply and efficient delivery are ensured for long-term cooperation. OEM and ODM services are supported, allowing flexible production and customized sealing solutions. Products have been exported to Oceania, Southeast Asia, Africa, Eastern Europe, South America, and other markets worldwide. Driven by quality, innovation, and responsibility, long-term partnership is always the priority. IVOK, a reliable manufacturing partner for automotive sealing parts.